Hello, good morning. Sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kore ase. Notun thakse kole subscribe aro share kori dibi. Aji morning la first update ase ala khobor update nokra kete dangor wish kuribole mon thaga tu Nagaland Times News dangor greeting to Lini Festival brothers and sister from Sumi Naga community ke dia ase itu festival bra unity and prosperity ani bole wish kura ase. Khatabra background history koi dibo Sumi Naga Tulini Festival to July 1 to 8 tak celebrate kore aro each day alag meaning te celebrate kuri thakya koi dia ase. Tulini Festival ke anipi koi thakyo aro itu festival to all about merrymaking dry season khotom hoina fruits vegetable aro early crop millet kan harvest kurgena mang thake across the state te. Tulini Festival to dangor festival ase Sumi Naga tribe ke aro itu festival to each day alag meaning te celebrate kuri thakya khatabra share kuri dia ase. Once again happy Tulini to all the Sumi Naga the last day of the festival. Next ase report has up to Minister Sri Temjan Imna Along to Jakali Chairman of All India Council for Technical Education Dr. Ani Sahasrabadi ke Lukurloshe Tala office there. Our Minister to Chairman ke fruitful discussion on technical education Nagaland nimite kotha kurloshe koina khobor pa ase. Itumite Chairman aru Temjin to alag organs aru polytechnic institution state assistance nimite kotha kurloshe. Our discussion to All India Council for Technical Education AICTE to assured kuri dishe charta notun polytechnic Nagaland state te establishment kuri dibole. On behalf of Nagaland Chief Minister Sri Nipiro, Advisor Sri Midoyoka Aro Naga Manu Milaina, Minister Temjin to Dr. Anil Aro AICTE ke thanks ditakshe full-fledged engineering college Nagaland te establish in Kuranimite. Next ase Advisor K T Sakalu Jakali, Directorate of School Education Recording Studio inaugurate kuri dishe. Principal Director of School Education Shanvas CIS Twitter te koi thakishe Recording Studio Directorate of School Education Kohima te Advisor KT Sakalu inaugurate kuri dabra Department to State te students of ke ponchabole parbo koi dishe. Report itu studio to nearly 35 lakh pra samagra shika sponsor kurina government to Recording Studio piloshe. Aro notun online education broadcast to DTAIR aro social media te July 19 pra to shuru kuribole ase koina department ko asap share kuri dia ase. Next ase Abu Mita advisor to CM Nagaland YRS aro TAFMA official to felicitate program rakhiloshe. Report is up to CM Advisor Abu Mita, YRS aro TAFMA official to facilitate Lam Grace aro NK Naga ke ditakshe Field of Music aro Dance Achievement Nimite. Reported 27 years old Lam Grace Kohima Limelight te Global Dance Visual Competition under solo category te winner piloshe India represente. Aro NK Naga music pale alag achievement pilo khan pi 8 kuri dangor greeting to rakhi dishe. Next ase history create kuri West Tripura MP Pratima Bhumik first Union Minister kuri loise Tripura State te. Report is up to 52 years old Lok Sabha election 2019 te chida Pratima Tripura State to Modi government te Union Minister kuri bole oath rakhi loise. Khobor is up to poila to Santosh Mohan Assam State aro Triguna Sin West Bengal Tripura Union Minister represent kuri takshe. Holepi itia to humble political background Pratima history create kuri Modi government te Union Minister kuri bole oath lo loise Tripura State represent kuri bole nimite. Next ase 3.7 magnitude earthquake notice Garo Hill joti part of Meghalaya aro Assam te earthquake hit kura khobor pa ase. Reported earthquake epicenter to North Garo Hill District Meghalaya te takshe around 1:56 PM te aro itu effect pra Assam State Guwahati pi aha khobor te koi takshe. Khobor hisab to Jakali part of Northeast te duibar earthquake hit kuri dishe. First hit bra 5.2 magnitude at baje phujor te aro second hit bra 3.7 magnitude around 1:56 PM phale aha khobor pa ase. Itu Twitter record te iku panga bangi nai report file kura tamte koina khobor pa asap share kuri dia ase. Next ase former Assam Chief Minister Sabrinanda Sornoval to second time Union Minister kuribole oath lo loise. Report has up to former Assam Chief Minister Sornoval to Prime Minister Modi government te second time Union Minister kuribole oath rakhi loise oath to President Ramnath Kovind administrate kuri dishe. Report has up to Sornoval to Assam Chief Minister Nokra Akete Union Minister for Sport and Youth Affairs Union Minister 2014 to 16 kuri aise first time Modi government te. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to dangor khushi aro congratulate kuri tai to notun learn kuri milagina prosperity of Assam nimite kam kurbo koina tweet kuri dishe. Next ase Union Cabinet expansion ti Ravi Shankar Prasad, Prakash Javadekar, Harish Vardhan, Ramesh Pogral aro alak ajon khan tu otnola aketi resign kuri loise koina khobor pa ase. Khobor hisab tu President of India to Council of Minister resignation accept kuri loise milagina 12 cabinet khanke aro Prime Minister Narendra Modi led Union Cabinet to 43 jon jakali inda kuri loise. আজি morning last update ase Khatabura state COVID-19 update kuri dibo. State Health and Family Welfare report hisab to state COVID-19 within 24 hours te 44 notun cases 105 recover aro 2 jon dead record hoi jase. Ita state the total confirmed cases to 25,563 recover bra 23,376 active case bra 1,070 aro morjato hule 491 hoi ja khobor te update kuri de ase. Aro Nagaland Times News pujor la yati brai khotom kura ase.